All right, Eric Beck, Wada Farms, baby. Good Idaho spuds. Eric, tell us what's happening at Wada Farms.
You know, Wada, we're rocking and rolling. Just got done with harvest. Got a great crop that came out of the ground. We're looking to have rolling right into the peak season with Thanksgiving and Christmas coming on board. And we're looking to put a lot of potatoes on people's tables this holiday season. Quality looks awesome. You know, Mother Nature was very good to us this year. Had great weather, provided a good quality, clean crop. So
Decent volume?
Decent volume. Everybody's going to have plenty of potatoes, make sure they meet their needs, and it'll be an exciting year for sure.
Why don't you, real quick, explain to the folks how you rotate the crops, grow cover crops, so that you're not growing the spuds in the same soil every year?
Well, so Wada, we have to make sure we have a really good crop rotation program in so that we keep the soil health at its optimal performance so that we can grow a quality crop. If we're not mitigating and managing a good soil management program, we can't grow good quality potatoes. So that's a very important part of our program. And then, Wada grows roughly 30,000 acres of agricultural products. Of that 30,000 acres, 10,000 of it's in potatoes, and the other 20,000 we are rotating with other crops to make sure that we're managing that soil health.
Beautiful. And you do all russets, you do all varieties?
We do all varieties. Russets is obviously our primary variety that we work with, but we do reds, yellows. We do all the different size profiles ranging from your large restaurant style, bigger baker potatoes, all the way down to your mini bite-sized potatoes.
Great. Mostly food service or both retail and food service?
We have a pretty diverse customer portfolio of everything: retailer, food service, some export, wholesale, just a little bit of everything.
And your organic potatoes?
Yes, we do some organic as well. We have a specific farm located in central Idaho that grows specifically to organic. It's nestled up into the Camas Wildlife Management Area, or right next to it, and so it's got optimum soil health, all organic certified. Our organic program in Idaho runs from roughly July to April, and been very, very good. A lot of customer demand for it.
All the varieties, or?
Russets, reds, and yellows, and purples.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with that. Eric Beck, Wada Farms, Idaho potatoes. You haven't been up to Idaho Falls in that area. It is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen.
I would agree.
All right, thank you, brother.